Jai Hind everyone. I welcome all the students of class 9th in online study of mathematics. Our today's topic is factorization of quadratic trinomial. Yes, quadratic trinomial means when the polynomial have three terms, and quadratic means when the degree of the polynomial is 2. This is the standard form of quadratic trinomial ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b and c are constants and x is a variable. Here c is known as the constant term. This c is your constant term. Why it is your constant term? Because c doesn't have any variable. Here we have x square, x is a variable. In second term we have x and x is a variable. Here c is here without any x, without any variable, therefore c is the constant term. What we need to do here we need to find two integers p and q. हमने जनरल एक नेम दे दिया उन इंटीजर्स को p और q. So we need to find two integers p and q such that p plus q is equals to b, where b is the middle term, and p multiply q is equals to a multiply c. Means we will find two such numbers. ऐसे दो नंबर्स हम फाइंड करेंगे जिनको सम करने के बाद b आए, एंड b इज योर मिडल टर्म, और उन्हीं दोनों नंबर की मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद a मल्टीप्लाई c आना चाहिए. वाई वी आर एडिंग दिस टू फाइंड द मिडल टर्म. मिडल टर्म इज b, और हमें b ही क्यों चाहिए और दोनों को प्लस करके ही क्यों चाहिए? इसका आंसर है because the sign of constant term is positive. Yes, I told you this is your constant term and the sign of constant term is positive. It is plus c. Due to plus c, we will find the sum of the two integers and that should be equal to your b. This method is also known as the splitting the middle term. It is also known as splitting the middle term. Splitting the middle term. So now starts your first example. Example number 1. Factorize a 2x square plus 7x plus 3. This is a kind of quadratic trinomial. Ax square plus bx plus c, where a is equals to 2, b is equals to 7 and c is equals to 3. We need to find two integers p and q such that उन दोनों को प्लस करके. वाई वी आर एडिंग? बिकॉज द साइन ऑफ कांस्टेंट टर्म इज पॉजिटिव. दोनों को प्लस करने के बाद मिडल टर्म आनी चाहिए, एंड मिडल टर्म इज 7. मीन्स b आना चाहिए, सम करके आना चाहिए b, एंड हियर in on the place of b we have 7. So we have to find two integers such that by adding them we will get its middle term 7, and we have to multiply both the integers to get 2 multiplied by 3 6, means a multiplied by c. A is the coefficient of x square, and here the coefficient of x square is 2. Here we multiply a by c, a into c. So we will multiply the coefficient of x square by c. Here c is equals to 3 and a is equals to 2. So 2 multiply 3 is equals to 6. Can you tell me the two numbers? By adding them we will get 7 and by multiplying them we will get 6. Yes, 4 and 6 and 1. 6 and 1. Yes. When we add 6 and 1, 6 plus 1 is equals to 7, and when we multiply 6 by 1, 6 ones are 6. So what you will do now? We will splitting the middle term. Split the middle term, and middle term is 7x. It will be equal to 2x square plus, we have to split the middle term only. So 7 can be written as 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1, and 7 will have variable x also. So x, and constant term will remain same. Here what we have done? We have just changed its middle term. We have not changed its first term. We have not changed its last term, means third term. We have changed only its middle term on the basis of this rule. Therefore, this is known as splitting the middle term. Now, we have to do simplification. 2x square will remain same, plus 6 will multiply by x, it will be 6x, plus 1 will multiply by x, 1 into x, x plus 3. Now, we have to take common factors from initial two terms and from the last two terms. Here we have 2x common. When we have taken 2x common, what is left? X plus 3. And from the last two term, we will take out common, so 1, so that the left term is x plus 3. Now we have x plus 3 and x plus 3 common from both the factors. So x plus 3 is common. What is left? 2x plus 1. So we will write 2x plus 1. This is the required answer. In this way, we have factorized a quadratic trinomial. What is the procedure? We will compare the given quadratic trinomial with ax square plus bx plus c, and then we will check the sign of the constant term. Here the sign of the constant term is positive. So we have to find two such numbers. By adding them, we will get the middle term 7, and by multiplying them we will get 6. Why we are getting 6? The multiplication of a and c. A is the coefficient of x square and c is the constant term according to this standard form. So we have found two numbers here, 6 and 1. Therefore 6 plus 1 is equals to 7 and 6 multiply 1 is equals to 6. And now what we will do? We will just splitting the middle term. We will make changes only in its middle term. We will not change its first term and the last term. And rest of the solution you know. Now move on to our second example. Factorize 12x square minus 7x plus 1. Same pattern we will solve the second example. The constant term is here 1. Compare it with ax square plus bx plus c. We get a is equals to 12, b is equals to minus 7 and c is equals to 1. We need to have two numbers such that by adding them we get 7, and by multiplying them we get 12 into 1, 12. So 4 and 3, 4 and 3. This is all your rough work. 4 plus 3 is equals to 7 and 4 into 3 is equals to 12. We have find our two numbers p and q. Now what we will do? We will split its middle term, and its middle term is minus 7x. We will break 7. We will break 7 into two parts, 4 plus 3. So start its solution. 12x square minus 7 can be written as 4 plus 3 into x plus 1. Open the bracket. By multiplication 12x square minus, take x inside the bracket. 4 will multiply by x, 4x, and plus 3 will multiply by x, 3x, and plus 1. Now open the brackets. 12x square minus 4x minus 3x plus 1. Due to this minus, the sign of the interior terms has been changed. Now take out common from first two terms. It is 4x. When we have taken 4, the left factors are 3 into x minus 1. Take out minus 1 common, 3x minus 1. And now we have 3x minus 1, 3x minus 1 common throughout. What is left? 4x minus 1. That is the required factorization of the given quadratic trinomial.